Hey, ag teachers, this is a fun tool, could lead some of you to a diversion. It is a Chrome extension called Custom Cursor. It easily allows you to change what the cursor is that you're using away from this traditional little white mouse. And so let's take a look over at my Google Classroom webpage. I have the extension added and pinned. And so here we have it. If I was possibly doing something with floral design, I could go and choose my florist job. And now my cursor is floral shears and a rose as I scroll over. Great way to connect to themes for your students. Even more fun is it's so easy to go back to your regular cursor by just clicking on the default button. But you have the ability to choose and manage your cursors. And so in Custom Cursor, imagine you were teaching on milk quality and products to prepare for the career development event, or you were teaching something related to cattle. I search for cow. I am able to find some different cows and I could add to my collection. Additionally, I know that Among Us is a great theme right now. If you notice, I could search Among Us, but if I go to the top cursor packs, I have the ability to look at what the top trending cursors are. So you see a series of Among Us and TikTok, and you have the ability then to star and add it for yourself. You can view those cursor packs. You also have the ability to easily manage these packages. So you could add it to a favorite. You could share it with some of your friends. And one of the ways that you manage is if you go in here and you look at your settings, you are able to manage your collections. So if I decided, oh, wait, I don't want that Among Us collection anymore, it's maybe not as trendy, I could simply hit delete. I could choose other selections, but equally fun is I have the ability to manage components within them. So if I didn't want to see a hairbrush and a hair clip or a makeup brush and a mirror because it's not something that would work for me, I can delete it from my own collection. So I just wanted to share this with you. Again, it is Custom Cursor. And I think that for us as agriculture teachers, there is a variety of potential. Not there's not for other teachers, but I just wanted to be sure that I shared that with you because I think it's amazingly fun.